Whew. Oh man, that was an interesting experience.
Welcome to Tokyo, a city where tradition meets innovation in the most dazzling ways. Today, we're diving into 2 unforgettable experiences on our Tokyo bucket list. First, we step into a dreamlike underwater world at the Art Aquarium Museum, where art, light, and living goldfish come together in a mesmerizing fusion of beauty and serenity. Then, we're heading straight to the heart of Tokyo's food culture, Tsukiji Market. This market is a foodie paradise that we want to explore bite by bite.
Alright guys, we went to the Art Aquarium Museum here in Tokyo, and it was amazing.
Stay tuned! If you're just catching up with us, this is my husband Steven, and I'm Elaine. We had an amazing time yesterday at Team Lab Planets, where we became a part of the art, visually, emotionally, and spatially. It was an amazing experience. Next, we ate some fantastic foods at the Tsukiji Market. There was so much to do, see, and taste at the market that we are going back again later today.
I don't even know what's happening.
Our first stop is the Art Aquarium Museum in Nihon Bashi. The Art Aquarium is located inside a large mall, but easy to find if you follow the signs.
Never-ending wall of prizes.
And don't get distracted. Once inside, the experience begins. A symphony of light, water, and life. This isn't just an aquarium. It's a sensory art installation where over 30,000 goldfish swim in kaleidoscopic harmony. Each tank is its own masterpiece. Surrounded by rainbows of light, flowing water, and dancing fish, it's easy to get lost in this underwater world. It was amazing. Not only were there several different styles of tanks and many different types of goldfish, but also so many different perspectives to enjoy. Every movement of the goldfish becomes part of the art. Ephemeral, elegant, and emotionally captivating. Inspired by traditional Japanese aesthetics, and brought to life with modern technology. We loved it. The experience is both meditative and surreal, like stepping into a living dream painted in light.
Absolutely.
Together, it's an awe-inspiring experience. It was so beautiful and such an immersive experience. We had a hard time leaving, but we were getting hungry. From visual delicacy to culinary treasure, we set out towards the world-famous Tsukiji Fish Market.
Whew. Oh man, that was an interesting experience. You can see the people packed on the train like this. I know, right?
But now we're walking through the streets of Tokyo and we're gonna just find some little bites here and there and maybe some drinks. Though the inner wholesale auction has moved to Toyosu, Tsukiji's outer market remains a bustling hub of flavors and craftsmanship. Here, the legacy of Japanese seafood culture continues in every steaming bowl of ramen, every slice of glistening sashimi, and every shout of the vendors perfecting their trade. One of our favorites is unagi, or freshwater eel.
Oh yeah? Let's try it. Elaine got a unagi on the stick.
Head is fall apart, friend.
Walking through the market is an immersion in authenticity, a chance to taste centuries of culinary traditions, one bite at a time.
Hey. We're here at this nice beef place. We just got us some Kobe beef. Let's see how it tastes.
Okay, we got the Kobe beef bowl. It was 3,800 yen. And it's very heavy. A lot of this delicious Kobe beef with rice underneath. It was fantastic, and the slices were huge.
Charred so crispy on the outside, nice and pink on the inside.
We finished our beef bowl and set out to find more Japanese delicacies. We came back. We each got our own steak today because we don't have to share. These were too amazing. That beef bowl, by the way, the Kobe, so delicious. Outside crispy, inside so like fatty, melt on your tongue. Amazing. But anyways, we came back to get some of these. Yesterday, we enjoyed ramen via kiosk. Our tickets for food. A common way to order food at restaurant stalls in Japan. We ordered the famous Sapporo beer and fried chicken appetizer. The tables are stocked with all of the toppings you can imagine, from rice vinegar to garlic you crush right into your bowl. One or two pills? It was some of the best ramen we've ever had. Okay, so after a long morning in Tokyo, crowded, hot, sweaty, we have come here to this cute little local onsen near Kawasaki, in between Yokohama and, or in between Tokyo and Yokohama. And it's traditional, it's mostly locals. So we're gonna be quiet when we go in, but we'll just show you a little sneak peek of whatever we can. All right, let's go. We walked through a peaceful outdoor co-ed rest area on the way to our lockers before changing. I am in love with the wooden keys for our shoe lockers. That was refreshing. Clean, super traditional. Lots of like old little, details. Mm-hmm. Did you like it?
Yeah, pretty cool onsen. Lots of wood and stone everywhere. Everything was clean. Everyone minded their business. I had a cold bath and didn't.
but it felt like we went back in time like 100 years. The women's side had a steam room, and you had a sauna. So sometimes at places they switch men and women like different weeks or different months. So if we come back, we'll have to see if they rotate. If you visit Japan, be sure to taste the melt-in-your-mouth Wagyu, sample some of the sweetest strawberries, and soak in the sights and sounds of Tokyo's vibrant street food scene. From ancient fish markets to high-tech dreamscapes, Tokyo offers experiences that stay with us long after we've left. If you're planning a trip to Japan, don't miss the wonder, the flavors, and the futuristic beauty that these unforgettable destinations offer. Thanks for watching! Arigatou gozaimasu! I finally found it!